In 1958, Mao Zedong, the leader of the People's Republic of China, initiated the Four Pests campaign to eradicate pests responsible for the transmission of pestilence and disease. The campaign targeted four pests for elimination: rats, flies, mosquitoes, and sparrows. Sparrows were specifically targeted because they were suspected of consuming approximately 2 kilograms of grain per sparrow per year. Millions of people organized into groups and hit noisy pots and pans to prevent sparrows from resting in their nests, with the goal of causing them to drop dead from exhaustion. However, the extermination of sparrows resulted in severe ecological imbalance, which subsequently resulted in surging locust and insect populations that destroyed crops due to a lack of a natural predator, being one of the causes of the Great Chinese Famine of 1959-1961.